Good to see everyone. Just a few thoughts that I have. Is property investing an entry to being an entrepreneur? Yes, I do believe so, because properties create capital growth, and when you want to go and be an entrepreneur to do something, there's only two ways you can do it: from the passive capital growth that you'll make, or working extra hard to create some sort of income or profit to be able to do the things you want. So when you look at the basis, the easiest channel is to get into property. I've seen so many students within 1, 2, 3, 5 years accumulate at the rate of 1 to 2 properties a year, and within 5 years they're able to leave their job that they may love or hate, but be able to do it for themselves. And having a capital basis behind you to do this is a great leap forward. And obviously, like myself, used to work for the government for years, raised to high senior management levels, but it's not really what I wanted to be in the end. With my profit or capital growth or rents from all my properties, I was able to get into business. That leveraged me into a cash flow business like an Asian grocery shop called the Tofu Shops. And from there, I managed to have greater capital growth, and today I have a business which gives me a very good lifestyle.